Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn about Philips Roku TV black screen with sound. Fix how to reset no picture. Fix 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV's power cord from the wall outlet. Wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes, plug the power cord back in and turn on the TV. This method can often reset the TV and resolve display issues. Fix 2. Inspect HDMI connections. Ensure all HDMI cables are securely connected. Try disconnecting and reconnecting the cables or using different HDMI ports to rule out port specific issues. Fix 3. Factory reset the TV. Locate the physical reset button on your TV, often a small reset button. With the TV powered on, press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the TV restarts. Fix 4. Contact Philips support. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, it may be a hardware problem requiring professional assistance. Reach out to Philips customer support for further guidance. The link for Philips customer support will be provided in the description. When you click on the link, a web page will be appeared on your screen. Here, you can ask for support, which I have told you. You can ask for support by clicking here to contact. And if you want a product support, you can get the manuals here. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also.